Hi guys, we are so happy to welcome you to our channel. Today we will talk about the TikTok application and how to start lives on TikTok. So the first step is to open the TikTok app. Later, let's click on the plus icon on the bottom bar of the screen. And later we need to scroll the bottom panel to the right side. As you can check, we don't have this live option, but why we don't have this feature? We need to say that the live option is added automatically when you reach the 1000 subscribers, and as you can check, we have the only one follower right now. But if I will show you our official HardReset.Info TikTok, also don't forget to subscribe to our channel because I'm sure that you will like our content and it's very interesting. So if I will tap on this plus icon and scroll the period panel, I will have this live option. So to start this live feature, let's pick on the red K. Sorry, but I won't do it right now because it's our official TikTok and I don't have any access to do this. But you can definitely without any trouble speak on this button and start lives on your account if you have, as I said before, 1000 subscribers. And guys, thank you for the video watching. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool videos about the TikTok app and other programs. Goodbye guys, good luck!